Hi everyone, I'm Frank Jimenez with the BUILDERALL team. In this video, you will learn how to configure your blog post page inside Cheetah. Now, if you watched my previous videos, the very first video was going inside the properties area here, going down to blog MVP and configuring all of your settings and creating your first blog. In the second video, I showed you how to connect your blog to your Cheetah website. And then the third video, I showed you how to configure your blog feed page inside Cheetah. So now let's go inside the blog post and configure your post page. So here we are on the blog post page. Now in the previous video, we went into elements and we showcased the different elements that go on your blog feed page. Now once your site visitor is on your blog feed page and they click on a post, it will do absolutely nothing unless you actually set up your blog post page. So we're going to go here and choose blog post. And we're going to select a template. Let's go ahead and select this top one here. And drag that right in here. And then all you have to do is just select save. So anytime a post is actually selected inside the blog feed page, it will then open up and give them access to the actual post. So let's go in and actually take a look here. So let's go to save. Now here we are on the home page. Now what we've been working on in the past videos is the actual feed page and today the post page. So now that we are at the home page, let's go up to the very top, type in feed. And this is the actual feed page where we've inserted 5 different types of elements. So now if I go down here and I select work hard, anytime I click on a post here, it will then open up. So let's, for example, click on this one here. So when you click on it, it now takes me to the post page with the article that was created inside my blog. And that is how you configure the post page inside Cheetah. I hope you found the content in this video helpful. Until next time, I'm Frank Jimenez with the BUILDERALL team.